I want to introduce you to this nifty AutoCAD add-on called DWG Compressor Pro. It pretty much does what it says on the tin. It compresses the DWG file and all those loaded XReferences in one fell swoop. So, here's the lowdown on how it works. Once you've downloaded and installed it, head on over to the add-in panel on the ribbon. You'll spot a new icon there. Click on it and bam! You've got a palette that shows you the entire hierarchy of loaded XReference drawings. Those colorful solids, red, orange, and green, they're like your file's health indicators. Red means it's a heavy weight that needs compressing, orange is kinda in the middle, and green means it's a lightweight. Hit that compress button and it kicks off the compression process for the loaded file and all its XReferences. You can keep an eye on the log to see how things are progressing. So, if there's a hiccup with a particular file, you'll spot it. In just a few seconds, it reloads and displays the files after they've been compressed. You'll notice that most of them turn green under the compression rate header, showing how much they've slimmed down compared to their original size. Pretty darn impressive, right? So, as you can see, it's super handy, lightning fast and reliable. You can snag it right now from the Autodesk App Store. Go check it out.